Hello! I'm gonna help my mother show you guys how to make the Vietnamese dipping sauce Nuoc Cham, or just fish sauce that you can dip with spring rolls, egg rolls, literally anything savory.
Okay.
So yeah,
Yep.
here we go.
So I have equal parts of everything from your right to left. We're gonna start with sugar. Go ahead and put it in the bowl. Sugar. Next is water. I'm sorry, vinegar.
Mhm.
So
Smells vinegary.
okay, go ahead and mix it up because we want to mix the sugar and the vinegar really well.
I'm sure these are combined really well.
Well, it doesn't have to be really well, but the uh, warm water is the next step in the process.
Okay.
So if you want to add in the water. You see
the
how
sugar.
clear this water is? This vinegar, water, and sugar. So you want to make sure that it's all clear before you add in the fish sauce. So go ahead and add the fish sauce in. Very nice. And then I normally taste it. So taste it to see
Let
if
me
you like
taste
it.
Very Nuoc Cham-y.
Because we're using this to dip it with fish, I like it to be a little bit lemony. So go ahead and add in a little bit of lemonade because we didn't use any lime or lemonade, lime or lemon juice.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. Go ahead and
So
taste
what-
it again. So with the fish sauce, the dipping sauce, everyone is different. You start with the basis, right? Equal parts of everything, and then you add in stuff that you want. So I like to use a lemonade when I'm eating something that have fish or shrimp. Sometime I will use this guy, which is the Coca Rico soda. It's just depending what I'm eating with. But I always start with equal parts of everything: sugar, water, vinegar, and fish sauce, and
I like it.
then you add in that guy as the
All of it?
finish. Yeah.
And this is garlic, chopped up garlic, 1 clove of garlic, and 2 little chili boys,
Yes.
red chilies.
Wow, that looks really good. Here is your fish sauce, dipping sauce for the rice paper wrap. Thank you for your help, Francine.
Thank you for having me.